Hello guys, it's Martin here from Blackpool Automart. It's Friday. This car's just landed in part exchange. It's a lovely BMW 3 litre M4 automatic. It's just landed in, so I thought I'd get it done. It's not been valeted, it's not been cleaned. You've seen it in its raw state as it came into us, so I thought I'd just get this car on because it's just too nice to not bother putting on, to be honest. It's a stunning car, this. Cranberry leather interior, cabriolet, gorgeous car, absolutely stunning car. 2016, it's a late 2016 on a 66 plate. Lovely low miles, I'll show you the miles in a minute. What a bonny car this is. This will get the neighbours talking, won't it? If you rack up in this. What a nice car. Anyway, let's get inside it. The mileage on it is 20. Let me see. It's not letting me see. Let's start her up. What a sound this makes. Wowzers. 28,140. Look at that mileage. Fabulous miles. Listen to that. Stunning car. You got all your different steering and suspension settings there that you can mess about with. It's got cruise, it's got a limiter, it's got Bluetooth, it's got obviously nav, nice big nav screen. It's got neck scarf, which means it'll blow warm air on the back of your neck through that little vent there. That's what that switch is there for, and there's the hood switch. So yeah, 28,000 miles. Heated seats as well, as you can see. Keyless entry, keyless start. Just a wicked sounding car. And it's literally just in. It's got Harman Kardon stereo system as well, which is their best you can get for a car. Harman Kardon, it's up there with the big boys. It's got tinted windows, as you can see. That's just the quarter one at the back. Slightly tinted at the front. I'll just operate the roof and shut it now because I'll let you see what it looks like with the roof up. It's very quick, this roof operation. It's a work of art actually. And that's how quick it is. Super quick. And the windows go up automatically at the same time, and that's it, the roof's up. How quick was that? Anyway, let me just turn it off. Let you see it with the roof up. Sorry about the camera movement, it's a bit hard to get out of a car without moving the camera. Anyway, there it is with the roof up. Stunning car. Like I say, it's just in to start. This will create some interest, this car. They always do, these M4s. Always do, especially with that mileage. It's got super mileage. Got quite a few nice cars around us at the moment. There's another one. A few BMs and stuff. Got some nice stuff. We're part of a big group. We're part of a company called the Cox Motor Group, COX. We've got 16 dealers across the northwest of the UK. Obviously we've got 3 here. There's our Automart in the distance there. That's us. There's our Blackpool St next door to us, and then you've got our Honda bikes. Big dealership, that. Huge dealership. And then across the road is our flagship Honda cars dealership. Workshops, valet bays, Seat workshops, body shop in the distance. So yeah, we're well kitted out. We've got Volkswagen over in Lancaster, we've got Mitsubishi in Morecambe, we've got a Honda dealer as far as north as Kendal, we've got Wigan Honda, we've got Southport Honda. So we're not a massive company, but we're not tiny either. We're a family-run business. David Cox being the MD. We're a family-run business, and the reason for these videos really, it's just eyes on the ground. We just like to. It looks better. I think you get more of a feel of the car when you watch a video than you do a flat picture. I think so anyway. And you get a feel of the surroundings, where the car is. It's not being sold from a little shack under the arches somewhere in Blackpool. We're a multi-million-pound company. And we do things right. We're as transparent as we can be, and if there's any issues on the car, we always bring them to your attention. This car in particular, I really can't fault it. The alloys are all very, very good. There's no curbing to any of them. Don't get me wrong, the car needs a valet. It's not even been valeted yet. This is how the car came into us. But I thought I'd get it on because it's Friday and I wanted to get the car on for the weekend, because that's when we sell most of our cars, over the weekend, to be quite honest with you. We do offer a free delivery service on all our cars as well. I don't know if that'd be of interest to you. Some people, or a lot of people, take us up on that offer. We have been delivering a hell of a lot more cars. Obviously the pandemic's been on, so that's been the reason why we've done so many over the last 12 months, but we've carried it on and it's still going well. It's a bit like Amazon. You click a button and the car or the item turns up in a few days after. It's very similar with cars now, believe it or not. And a lot more people are buying cars online. If the car's not right when you deliver it to them, and we refund you straight away, just like you do with Amazon. So there's, it's the same. It's bigger numbers. I get that. I do get that. But that's the way of the world, and that's the way it's going. If you wanted to reserve this car, you can go on our website, coxmotorgroup.com, find the car, just click the reservation button. It'll take the car off sale. It'll stop anyone else purchasing the car. We've only got the one. It's not as if I've got a row of 10. It's the only one I have. So if you want this car and you want to hold it, subject to you looking at the car, by all means click the reservation button on coxmotorgroup.com. It'll ping me an email saying someone's reserved the car. I'll give you a call and I'll be asking you 4 questions. One is, how are you funding it? Do you want to take advantage of our low rate finance? Not a problem if you don't, but it's there if you need it. 2, have you got a part exchange to part X in, and I'll give you the figure of what it's worth over the phone. We can do that all remotely, no problem at all. 3, do you want it delivering? Are you going to be wanting it delivering to your home or your work? So that's not a problem. And the last question is, are you going to be coming here to view the car? Do you want to come and road test it if you're local to us? If not, like I say, we can reserve the car and we can deliver it to your work or your home address. No problem at all. So yeah, if you want to reserve it, nip on to coxmotorgroup.com, find the car and click the orange reservation button. You can do that with any of our cars actually, but this in particular, it is going to create quite a lot of interest, I would have thought, this car being an M4. Anyway, that's my video for the car. If you want any more images, or you want some images when the car's been valeted and cleaned, by all means give me a call, 01253 600 900. My name's Martin, I'm the sales manager here. I'll get them pictures over to you, or I can even send you another video once the car's fully valeted. I don't mind doing that. We're open 7 days a week. The only day you'll not get me is Wednesday. My colleague Coach Shelton's here when I'm not here, and we are open Sundays as well. We're a short day on Sundays, it's 12 till 4. Anyway, give us a shout if you need any more information. Thanks for viewing my video, and hopefully we'll speak to you in the not too distant future. Cheers guys, bye for now.